The buzz around Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Galaxy Z Fold 7 has already captured the attention of tech enthusiasts worldwide, as the next generation foldable phones, their mid-year launch is eagerly anticipated. But here's the twist. While these devices promise some refinements, they might not deliver the groundbreaking upgrades many are hoping for. This cautious approach raises an important question. Is Samsung saving its best for later? Reports from South Korea suggest that Samsung's foldable phones might see significant innovations only with the Galaxy Z Flip 8 and Galaxy Z Fold 8. This information came from an interview with a Fastbrit executive representing Samsung's first high-density interconnect supplier for the Galaxy S25 series. According to the executive, Samsung plans to sell 6 million units of the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Fold 7 combined. However, they set a higher sales target of 7 million units for their successors, the Flip 8 and Fold 8. This shift in focus hints at Samsung's strategy of reserving transformative features for future models. Despite their popularity, Samsung's foldables seem to be in a transitional phase, focusing on refinement rather than revolution. While this could align with a broader strategy to manage expectations, it leaves room for competitors to make bolder moves in the foldable market. The company's careful approach might frustrate fans eager for groundbreaking innovations, especially as rivals continue to push boundaries in the foldable space. Samsung's broader business strategy reflects a mix of ambition and caution. This year, the company aims to sell 230 million smartphones. While this is an impressive target, it falls short of the 300 million units Samsung shipped in 2019. The global pandemic caused a significant shift in consumer behavior, and smartphone sales have struggled to recover fully. Last year, Samsung shipped approximately 222 million smartphones, a figure that underscores the need for a standout product to regain its market dominance. Interestingly, while the foldable lineup may seem conservative this year, the Galaxy S25 series is positioned to shine. The Galaxy S24 had a strong showing in 2024, selling 35 million units and outpacing the Galaxy S23. Samsung is now projecting even better results for the Galaxy S25 series, with expected sales of 37 million units. This includes plans to produce 13 to 14 million Galaxy S25 units, 6 to 7 million Galaxy S25 Plus units, and a staggering 17 million Galaxy S25 Ultra units. If these figures hold, the S25 series could surpass the legendary Galaxy S10 lineup, which achieved sales of 35 million units during its peak. This strategic balance highlights Samsung's focus on solidifying its flagship offerings while carefully navigating the foldable segment. The Galaxy S25 series builds on proven success, aiming to capture the attention of premium smartphone buyers. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Fold 7 represent a steady evolution, likely designed to maintain interest in the foldable category without overshadowing future innovations. Looking ahead, Samsung faces a pivotal moment. The foldable market is growing rapidly, and competitors are making aggressive moves to capture consumer attention. Samsung's cautious approach with the Flip 7 and Fold 7 could pay off if it allows the company to perfect its technology for future iterations. However, it also risks creating an opportunity for rivals to dominate the foldable space in the short term. On the other hand, the Galaxy S25 series serves as a reminder that Samsung knows how to deliver high-performing, consumer-friendly devices that appeal to a broad audience. As these devices make their way to market, it will be fascinating to see how Samsung's strategy plays out. Will the focus on refinement and stability keep them ahead in the foldable race, or will competitors seize the opportunity to leap ahead? At the same time, the Galaxy S25 series could strengthen Samsung's position in the flagship market, showcasing its ability to adapt and innovate. Thank you for joining us to explore the latest updates on Samsung's upcoming devices. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of foldable phones and flagship models, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more insights and updates from the world of technology. See you in the next video.